In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slice Tool in Figma guide. If you've ever needed to isolate a specific part of your design, maybe a button, a header, or a small illustration, the Slice Tool is perfect. It lets you define a clean rectangular region over your canvas so you can focus on that area with precision without changing your original layers or layout. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in the design editor, not a handoff or prototype-only view. A stable connection helps here, since Figma runs in the cloud and needs to sync your file as you work. Next, open your design. You can head to your recent files or your project space and click the file you want to work on. Once it opens, make sure you're on the page and frame where the content you want to slice actually lives. Zoom to a comfortable level so you can place your slice accurately. Now look toward the tools at the bottom of your interface and select Slice. Depending on your layout, the tools might appear as a toolbar. The key is to find the Slice option. When it's active, your cursor will change to indicate you're in slicing mode. This won't alter your design layers, it simply creates a separate slice region on top of them. With the Slice tool selected, click and drag over the specific area you want to capture. You'll see a rectangular marquee appear as you drag. Release the mouse to set the slice. If the area isn't perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can grab the handles on the edges or corners of the slice and adjust its size. You can also reposition the entire slice by dragging inside it. Figma's smart guides will help you align to edges and centers of nearby objects, so it's easier to get crisp, pixel-perfect boundaries. As you fine-tune, watch the dimensions that appear near your cursor. They let you keep consistent sizes if you're slicing several elements. If precision matters, zoom in a bit more to align the slice exactly with edges or padding. Remember, the slice sits independently from your design content, so you're not moving or cropping the original artwork, just defining a clean window around it. And that's it. You opened Figma, opened your design, selected the Slice tool from the tools at the bottom, and drew a slice over the specific area you needed. With these basics, you can quickly isolate any part of your layout whenever you need a focused region.